it is time for some machining. I have an obsession with reinventing the wheel, it seems. So, I have this drill press. I actually picked up for $5. Yes, it was being sold for scrap. Anyway, it doesn't have a chuck key to tighten down the the drill bits. So I'm going to try to make one. What I've done here is I've got a nut, just a nut, and I've marked it in 10 places, 10 equal places, and I'm going to cut into it on each of those places and then file it out so that it'll actually fit in the, oh, I don't know what they're called. Anyhow, these things. We'll see how it goes. I already tried it once. I didn't have enough teeth. There's only 9 on this. It needs 10. So I'll zip those and we'll come back. Alright, so they're all cut, not completely even, but they're all within a fixable area. As you can see, that's got 10 teeth. Now I'm just gonna start filing away at it. What I will be using is a series of files. Got a triangular file, so that's 60 degrees. I've got this about 1/4 inch round file, rat tail, and I've got this is probably 3/16 thick. This is a chainsaw file for sharpening chainsaws, but it'll work. So I'll get filing on that and we'll come back. Okay, so I've got the thing basically filed down to shape. As you can see, the teeth aren't perfect and it's not the best. I mean, I've seen people just use a piece of steel in one of the holes and then use like a screwdriver or to to lever it tight, or use a piece of steel and a pair of pliers just to tighten it down. So if this doesn't work, that's what I'll use. Okay, so I've got a groove in the sides here so that this will fit in right in there, get set right there, and then I've got the welder all set up and we'll weld it. Alright. And that should do it. I'll cool that down and we'll see if it works. Alright, well, it's the moment of truth. Alright, so I've got this drill bit here. This is it doesn't really matter. It's like a 1/2 inch. And if I could set this thing up. No. Well, I guess you're gonna have to take my word for it that it works, because unless I can figure out how to get this on with one hand. Wait. There we go. So I tighten it down enough so that it's not going to move anywhere, I suppose. Actually, it's moving around everywhere. So, okay, now here's our tool. Homemade, hand filed, and it tightened. Do it for another side, like you're supposed to do. And let's drill something down. Alright. Get this tightened up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. This is not where I'm going to put it. I need a good place for it. But now we see if it works. Oh, it's not plugged in. Now it's plugged in. It works. Works like a freaking charm. Woo! $5. $5. Yes! Selling it for scrap? No, I don't think so. Of course, we had to spend $8 for this thing because the prongs were bad. Oh, I don't know where it is. Yeah, the prongs were bad for it the last time, so we did that. Replaced this box here with a little bit of redneck magic. So yeah, I'm stoked. Now I can drill straight holes. Moral of the story is, it can be done. I've seen people who said that you can't find these things for the proper tool. Like, some work for some tools, but they won't work for others. So what they do is they just use two different tools. Well, I'm just showing that you don't need, well, you can use those tools. It is simple to do, but just saying, you can make one if you really need to. It's hard, it takes trial and error. I already tried to make one already, but it didn't work. So unless you feel like possibly failing, possibly just making some more scrap and wasting time and sweat and energy, then I guess don't make this. But if you're really hurting for one of these and you don't feel like using two different tools every time you want to tighten a drill bit down, there you go. The proof is in the chocolate iron pudding. Alright, thanks for watching.